Good evening, student. I hope my voice is audible to everyone. So I welcome all of you for joining us, believing us, and we ensure you to provide you the best internship program. I welcome every student on behalf of Take It a Smart for the interest with us. And today we are going to brief you about the entire program, how this program is going to be, and how you can get benefit, what you need to follow here, and what you not. Okay. So thank you, guys. So let us start. So today I am going to brief you about all this session. I'm going to share the screen and we'll talk about the detailed syllabus. I hope everyone keep muted. If not, I have muted everyone. Fine. So are you guy? Is it a screen is you are able to see my screen? I hope you are able to see my screen. So thank you for your interest with us. Let us start. So first of all, you all have joined for the internship program. So you know that internship you do from a company, and from wherever you do, you should know something brief about the company. Maybe some student may be known to us, and someone new may be there. So whatever we do from the scratch. Fine. And I hope you all are bit aware from the web designing or HTML, CSS. But we will consider that we will begin from the zero level. You all listen carefully, follow us, and I hope I give you, assure you to make you the best web designer. Fine. So take it a smart. Welcome all participants in the internship program. We have joined here. We are here for internship in web designing. So we require to understand what is web designing. So brief about the company. It's a software company headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and it is both product service oriented software company. All office employ experienced team of professionals with a outstanding track record of handling complex web and app development project. Fine. So we work in different domain, and why you need to know. So you have to know that what are the area domain where web designing and development or software industry is working. So embedded application development we do but less. Web design and development we are going to focus here more. IT services, Android app development, web-based software solution, web-based ERP. So these are the type of applications in the market we work here. Okay, fine. So here is the detailed address. Anytime you can reach us. Whenever you require any help, you can mail us and we will help you. Okay. So Institute Combined Pioneer Research, we are into research. We always keep researching what is going to come next and which is beneficial for the student career. Fine. So you don't have to worry. Whatever we guide, that will be the latest in as per the current market. So here we are to learn web development. So web development basic, the core behind the web development is HTML, CSS. Fine. But in backend, we will be using any programming language. So multiple languages are there to use the backend like PHP, Java, and Django, Python. So multiple languages are there, Node.js, but here we are going to do Python Django. Fine. And you know, Django is highly demanded in the market a lot of openings you will see, a lot of demand is there. Fine. So you required how you are going to get benefited. How you are going to get benefited, you have to listen each lecture carefully. Some student will think, no, sir, I know this. Guy, you know, someone don't know. When I do common. When I do common. So when you know, listen just. Out of that, something I will tell what you may have not known. Fine. Because I have the practical, I know which portion I should highlight, which portion I should stress, which portion is getting used more in the market. So why internship? You all have joined something maybe in your mind. One thing is in mind that everyone required this internship to fulfill the academic curriculum. Fine. Second thing, what I will stress, internship is the most required thing, most challenging thing for anyone career development. If you do internship properly, you learn the development. You may watch 100 of the video, but some many topic or the main point will be missing from the video. Here you are free, you can ask any question if you have doubt. Okay, we will have every day, we will have doubt session. You don't be in a hurry to run away. Okay, I stop 5 minutes before and I give opportunity to the student. You can ask any doubt you are arising. Fine. Second thing, every day I will be sending some question, answer, and you can write answer and send. I will be sending some word file where some question will be there. You have to answer and you have to send. Maybe in 2 days once. See, today I will be finishing one topic. So from one topic, I can send one question as well as something to do practical. Okay. Something to do practically and show me. I can understand you how you are in the web designing or how you are getting my points. Fine. So these are the common thing, guys, to get the proper benefit from us. We assist a student to expertise their skill in particular domain and maximize their career opportunity. So we are also running as a college, you can understand in the parallel. It's a college of development. We do only development. We don't go much in the theory part. Okay, fine. So why internship? We provide cutting competition make getting a job lot of difficult. Why internship? So many students are doing in CS branch, engineering branch, EC branch. Fine. So here the number of job is less. How much a student every year getting the degree. So you have to fine tune yourself. You have to go ahead by doing some practical training and getting some development exposure. So that's why internship is required. Fine. So why internship is a part of curriculum? See, this is not I am telling, guy. The researcher has observed that a student during the college must get some exposure of the development. They must approach the company and know something which is going in company, which is not going in the college. That's why they provided this as a part of curriculum. And that's why you go from the college, you have to do the internship. Here you get professional attitude. So what is professional attitude and what is not? See, suddenly some student will start talking. So this is not a professional attitude. If you cannot listen, you mute yourself and then you talk. A strength of personal character provide a greater door to opportunity by investing in internship. You shall give yourself the broader spectrum of opportunity when seeking and applying for the job. Fine. So concentrate, guy. I am going to teach you from the basic and it is going to be very practical. Fine. That is our characteristic. That is our feature. We are not like that. We have just a study and came and guiding you. We have 20 years of experience and whatever we will tell based from the industry requirement, industry perspective. Fine. So here is the brief of the syllabus. Here is the brief of the syllabus. So today is going to be introduction and something basic of the SDLC. And I may today also go to the VS Code. Some of you may be using, some of you may have not used. So I consider I keep everyone on one platform. And then I may start with one program. Okay. So tomorrow again I will continue the HTML, and then there will be two class in HTML, two class in CS, or two class in JavaScript. One class will be Bootstrap, MySQL, basic query writing, import, export, design pattern, MVC, MVT, Python 3, Django 3, system design. Also, these are the topic: monolithic, macroscopic architecture, discussion on project, start development. We will focus more on the development. Development is going to be take more time, and we will have some demo project like creating a login, creating one website, a small website with maybe one page or two page, maybe a static, maybe dynamic, and we have to make responsive. So what is responsive? Many questions will come here. Fine. So project development, report writing. How is the report? Already you have wrote the report, so report is somewhat same. Report is same. You have to write about the base, about the project, and then the motto of the project and benefit from the project. And you have to also write about the database, all the table used, and fine, and the languages used. So it's having a common, it's having a common system, it's having a common format, and you can do. We will guide you, also we will provide you, and you should fine tune it, okay, as per your requirement. Suppose the project will also have the screenshot, project will also have the code. So you don't depend that, sir, code is not given in the report, a screenshot is not given on the report. I will guide you how to take. If you are absent, you may miss. I will guide how your project is running, how you can take the code, how much code you should take, how you should take the screenshot, where you should keep in the report. But you cannot expect every report should be 100% complete from my. Even in the top, you have to put about your name and detail about the guide, about the college, about the university, about the logo. I hope you all are from the VTU, or you may be someone in Bangalore University, I'm not sure. I expect everyone are from the VTU, correct? And we will have some questionnaire and the project installation in the student system. So that is the most important. Suppose you understood so many things, and when project is not running in your system, then it is very difficult. How you will feel that you don't get benefit, how you will pass, many questions will arise, you will get frustration. So that part we will assist you. I will take login from you people, or using the Zoom, you can share your screen, I can share, because problem will come, many system will get the problem, okay. Problem is very common, system to system it arise. So that we will rectify. So now question is, till yet I was discussing about the internship. So what is the importance of internship and what we are going to guide you, what is the syllabus, how many days, which portion we are going to stress. Now I'm going to stress with about the web designing, web design. So guy, I hope everyone understand what is the meaning of web design, correct? Everyone have seen web design. Every day you may be using web design in daily life. You go, you are studying in any college, college will have a website. You go for the bus pass, you have to book, do something online for the bus pass. If you plan to sit in exam, you have to fill the form online. Everything is going online. You can imagine now, without website, it seems that the world cannot run. You want to know about any scheme, any loan, any insurance, any education, any college, any book, any syllabus, anything you order, everything is available on online. So online web design have a lot of job scale scope. You can imagine how much it has increased. You just try to find anything where the web design is not there. On Google it is said that each and every information is present. So Google is one thing and keeping information is another thing, correct? So for keeping information also, many web designer is required to keep it updated. So web designer job is not always to just keep designing the new thing. Web designer job is also to fine tune the design, keep improving the design, keep updating the content, keep doing the changes, many more. Fine. So if only given 50 minutes to consume content, 66% of people would prefer to see something beautifully designed. Now question is, sir, yes, sir. If I ask this question to all of you, what is the answer, guy? So do you know web designing? Do you know web designing, guy? If I unmute it, you can answer me.
No, sir.
No. Okay. That's good.
No, sir.
Don't worry. If you don't know, then I'm here. That's why I'm here to teach you. Okay. But what I see, I have the experience. A student sir, yes, sir, I know. When I see it, I give to design, they design such a page. No client can see that, or even you who is designing can see. If he give to you, you will say, no, I don't like. Okay. So here client want the best web design. Okay. Client don't want what was the previous 10 year before. Okay. Because everyone habit is there. Okay. Nobody want to use Nokia mobile, but Nokia mobile was best in its time, correct? But now nobody want to use. So like that, what web design was there before 10 years, now if you show to anyone, they will say, no, I don't want. This is not good. Fine. So 66% of the people would prefer to see something beautifully designed versus something plain and the simple. So you have to compete yourself for that. Okay. You may be knowing to design something, but that will not work in the professional world. You have to get ready for the corporate, for the company, which will look you very to design very beautiful thing. They are not college. You don't join there to learn for 3 years. Okay, maybe 1 month should be enough. Within 1 month, you should start giving the output. Otherwise, three months to 4 months or 6 months probation period is there. After 6 months, you may come out. Okay, so be ready from now. Okay, you don't wait that sir will do when job will come, when I will get the job. No, then job will not come. You have to start doing from the now. To building a better website for your business, you must understand the importance of web design. Fine. So what is the website? Website is the business online representation, correct? So a website is a business online representation. So it becomes imperative for every business to focus on making it not only visually appealing but also optimally functional in every sense, including its design, feature, navigability, and the other importance. Okay. No, sir, I put the menu in the down. No, we have to see the market. How is the market standard? We don't have to give our own idea or alone idea. We have to work in the market. Business website is doorway through which potential customer can visit a business and see how different it from the other business. Fine. So what is the career opportunity? You may be knowing, but still I would like to brief something what you may be not knowing. You have to try to understand the industry and the scope of the web designing. Fine. So web designing will always be promising in IT or software industry. You may be watching some video in YouTube and you will be say, seeing that somebody got some company are advertising that somebody was interns with me and he got a job of 75,000. Yes, it's true. If you learn basic with us and you keep practicing, you may get. Okay, but not in 1 month you can learn that much. We give the logic, we give the base, we give the idea, and on that idea you have to keep working. If you keep working, you may get anything. Fine. So that is the most important thing. It is one of the biggest industry. It's right. It is one of the biggest industries. Software industry have multiple verticals, but the web designing industry is the biggest as of now, which provide room for web designer as a career opportunity. Even abroad designer also have greater scope in the media industry, and like news advertising you see so many channel. Anybody have idea that how many TV channels are running as of now in the market? I think 100 plus or more, or 1,000 plus maybe. Each regional have own channel. So many news channel and all the news are digital. It means all these new digital, some web designer is working with for them. Correct. Web designer are working for them, and they are supporting, they are changing, they are creating, they are maintaining. Advertising agency, audio visual and media agency, now nobody is going for the book, or book also have the digital copy, or the printing itself is digital. First it have to become digital, and then printing have to happen. Publishing house or marketing firm, institution or designer studio, so and so. Fine. So web designer will never be out of any job because of the internet, them for its survival. Fine. So let's move further, guys. So what does a web designer do? So this basic responsibility of web designer is to design web pages. User may not be able to grasp the amount of effort that goes into the building a website. So a lot of it done by website designer. Website need to have the right combination of the color, images, layouts, fonts. So you require to think, guy, on this all the point. No any fonts, no. See, when you do professional, client will come. No, our company uses these fonts. I want this bluish, reddish, greenish, different shadow. No, you have to use watermark images. So like that question and combination will come. Fine. So and 3D should be there. Web designer need to strike a balance between the look of the website and its usability. So website that give more importance to one of these two elements doesn't usually fare well. Fine. So anyway, I will share you guys. This PPT is not important. So how to find your first job in the website designing? So I think this question may be interesting for all of you. How you can find job? So someone have question. Sir, I am in second semester. I am in the second year. How I can work? If you can manage job, you can get part-time job. If you have capability of working and designing for corporate or for the, you can work as a freelancer. That's the charming thing of the web designing. So many freelancers are there who are working, or there are web designer who don't have any engineering degree. There are web designer who don't have any engineering degree. Then you don't drop out. Okay, because degree is very much required for the further career growth. Okay, but you can become web designer in the second year also, if you keep practicing, learning, and if you can give a spare some time in the development, because you have to also cover the syllabus of the next semester. You have to study multiple papers, so bit difficult, but many students are able to do that. Fine. So you should do some mock project. You should do some mock project on any topic, any website you see. You go through that, you learn the functionality, you try to make a demo project of that type. Okay. So this will help you to build up the confidence and know the functionality and know the technology. Fine. So create a portfolio. See, if you will go on the GitHub, you will see everyone who are the learning web development, they are creating one portfolio. So what is portfolio, guy? Are you aware of the portfolio? You have to keep your portfolio, who you are, what you know, what you have done. Okay. So this is all information you can keep in portfolio, and portfolio should be online. There are platform where you can create and you can keep there. So people will start looking on your portfolio, and if someone required designer, developer, freelancer, they can give you one opportunity. If your design like them, they can try to contact you and give some work. Fine. So if you want to make a most of the web designing career opportunity available at your disposal, make sure that your portfolio give your potential employer a glimpse into what they can expect from you. So they have some expectation of what kind of designer they are looking, and if they find that in your portfolio you have did very stunning design, they may give you a opportunity. Fine. So web designer job in the role front-end developers. Front-end developer. So front-end developer, what does guy? Only design the front end. They don't look the back end. So yes, guy, this is also roles in the MNC and big company. Big company, sometimes someone will do only front-end developer, and he will be very, very expert in the front end. Someone will look back-end developer. Someone will do web application. So website and web application, there is a difference. Okay. So website and web application, there is a difference. So what is the difference, guy? See, website will keep mainly content, CMS, content management system. It will talk about, it will give information about any corporate, colleges, organization, government, and like that, or country visa. But application will have complete working there. You can register there, you can log in there, you can apply there, you can get a update, you can do multiple things. So those are applications. So application will not work without connecting to backend. Fine. Senior web analyst. So what web analyst will do? Responsible for building and maintaining solution with advanced technology. So web marketing analyst, responsible of web marketing. Fine. So these are the role and opportunity you can get. Fine. So this was all about the brief. This was all about the brief about our company and about the syllabus, about the web designing. So mainly I focus here, I talk about 3 points about this program, about the company, about this program, and about the syllabus, how we are going to complete this, which topic we are going to stress more. Fine. So next I would like to show you the detailed syllabus. I would like to show you the detailed syllabus. Fine. And also we have to discuss about software SDLC. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Fine. So now I am going to talk about the SDLC. So what is SDLC, guy? Software Development Life Cycle. So why we use this? See, any job you do, you have to divide into different stages in the part. Fine. So like that, software development is also not one kind of job. Multiple kind of job is there, multiple kind of role is there. You cannot imagine how many developer are there, how many developer is working in one project. Almost around same number manager and reviewer in the SDLC, and the designer will be there, who will be reviewing its development, and they will be deciding all this functional flow. Okay. And based on that documentation, developer have to they have to code. So what is this SDLC, guy? What are the stages of the SDLC? Okay. So now you all students want to develop one project. Okay. So what project you will develop, guy? internship training. So one project we will be developing internship training. So in this internship training, first you will gather the requirement analysis. So requirement analysis we will gather how many students will be joining. Fine. What are the topic we have to teach? What is the timing of the class? What are the practical sessions? What will be provided the lab session? Which will be project? How will be requirement? So these all kind of analysis is known as requirement analysis. These all kind of analysis are known as requirement analysis. Fine. So once requirement analysis is done, still requirement will be not very clear. So what's happened then? Designer start designing. Designer start designing. So they design the front end. They design the front end and they will review. They will discuss with the team, with the manager, and during viewing the design, some new changes or link or it will come out. Always design give a very clear picture. Fine. So when design is clear and okay for everyone, we go for the implementation. So out of all the developers, some are designer, and then someone will start implementing coding, backend coding, fine, validation, and many more things, flow, link. And once implementation or development is done, then we are going to do the testing. We are going to do the testing. So what is the testing guy? We will learn here. We are going to develop. So after the development, we will learn here. So be practical, don't worry, everything definition is not required, but you should have the understanding of development. So testing we will do, then evolution will be there. So we will start using. So during the usage, something will be look good, something will be not good. We will come up, it should be like that. So it may go another cycle. It may go another cycle after testing, and it may project may occur some changes. Fine. So in brief, I discuss about this. In brief, I discuss about this. We'll share you this PPT so you can read about this. So requirement gathering and analysis. So today I talk about a project. I consider this internship training itself is a project. So for this requirement gathering, we will do the first. So like a student management system, correct? So we will do the requirement gathering for that project, or any flight booking. So that is a system. So flight booking also we will do first. The first stage in the software is requirement gathering. The first stage always in the software. So guy, I just want to stop for 1 minute. Okay. I want to stop for 1 minute. Are you getting my voice? Is it clear? Do you have any review as of now before going further? Is it clear? Is my voice is always clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine. So today, anyway, it's a theoretical part. So I given you the syllabus in all. And I was talking about SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Okay. Software Development Life Cycle. So whenever we do the software development, first we do the first stage is requirement gathering. Any project, month, 2 month, 3 months, 6 month, requirement gathering and then design and design to requirement gathering, because so many things we have to think. If this design we are doing, whether this is going to survive in the market 10 year or no, what will be impact tomorrow, some changes comes, so whether we will able to adopt or no, because once you develop the software, it is not going to be constant. Every year, every season, new things are coming, people's brain are increasing. Okay, so they want new changes, and so we should develop a software which should be adaptable, we should able to adopt any changes in the future. Fine. So let's see now further about the SDLC. System analysis. So what is system analysis? This was not in the picture. Then we should do the analysis. So analysis like that when I'm designing this software, whether it will be development will be very costly, whether it will able to survive in the market, what are the competition, and if any changes comes, whether it will able to adopt into this. So like this system analysis we do, and then we do the system design, and then we do the coding. So coding is the development. So once coding is done, then we do the testing. So what is testing, guys? Some knowledge you may be knowing, you may have heard. Different kind of testing is there. So manual testing, automation testing. You may have heard the name of manual testing and automation testing. And also like a stress testing, black box testing. So many kind of testing we do. So a stress testing like see Amazon website. Try to start imagine the Amazon website. Can you come imagine that every second there are number of people who is logging. So our system should be capable, our database what we are using should be capable, what server we are using is should capable to allow 1,000 people, 2,000 people, 5,000 people to log in at a time, and it should respond to everyone. Single processor, double processor, multiple processor. So like that system we have to keep. Fine. And during the testing, different kind of validation will be there. Some student name is not registered in the college. See, I'm telling you one example of validation. So what you mean by validation and what is the benefit of validation? Some student is not registered in the college, but he deposited the fees in the college. So this is one of the mistake of validation. Validation should be there from the start. When you create you take admission, you should have the complete detail of the admission. When someone is going for the payment, you must follow from the previous admission, and then only payment should process. Not like that. Okay, you came. Okay, give me. I will update the roll number later. If system allow you to enter something without the roll number, means it is not a validated system. So testing and the implementation, whatever we develop, that required to get implemented. So what you mean by implementation, guy? Anybody understand the meaning of implementation here? Anyone? What is the meaning of implementation here? Anyone? I think all are mute. So implementation, like see, some developer is developing application for the college. Fine. So now this project required to get implemented for the college. So college, when they implement, they have to create some basic information, master information themselves, so that see, you did some registration. Okay, college registration. So you have to enter the master there, what are the courses you have, what are the fees have, or whatever other information it's have, where the mail should go, where see developer will do, they will give their own mail. But tomorrow we implement for the college, so different mails should be there. Fine. So requirement gathering, you can read it. Already I spoke a lot, system analysis also. So this is the second phase of SDLC where the entire system is defined in detail. In fact, this stage development get a detailed blueprint of the various phases. Fine. So all this stage system is divided into a smaller parts. Fine, fine. So coding, you know, everyone are coder. I know you are going to do the best. So testing we will do in our project, and also we will do the implementation, and we will do some hosting. So basic stages of the software development life cycle. Fine. So what else I can guide, guy? So next guy, now we are going to focus on the web development. Fine. So how we do develop the website, guy? Which is the basic programming language we use for the web development? So HTML. Fine. So we use HTML, the core language behind any of the web development. The core language behind any of the web development is HTML. Okay. So I hope you have some knowledge of the HTML, guy. Fine. You have some knowledge of HTML. So where we are going to write the code, whether it's a programming language or it's a different language. So HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. It is used for marking up. Okay, so for designing only. It doesn't have any logical capability. That's why we say that it is not a programming language. It's a markup language. Fine. So HTML is consist of tags, a lot of tags. More and more tags you practice, more and more tags you practice, more and more you are going to learn, guy. Fine. So we are going to practice from tomorrow onwards. So where we are going to write this program, where we are going to compiling this program, whether the HTML code is required compilation or not required compilation. So guy, can you confirm HTML code required compilation or no? Is any software required to execute the program? Is any software required to execute the program? No. No software.
No, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So no software is required to execute the program. So guy, we are going, so many editors are there. So many editors are there to write the program, and compiler is required. Compilation happen, but compiler browser itself is compiler for the HTML program. So we don't require any software to install here. Fine. So I hope you all are aware of Visual Studio Code, guy. Are you aware? Everyone are aware of Visual Studio Code? If not, we are going to guide you how to install it. You can download. Okay. So you can download, and other editor are also there. Starting, you can use Notepad++. Not a problem. Okay. So also we can execute the program, write the program in the Notepad. But Notepad, it will look simple. So this is Notepad++. So in this also we can write program. Okay. And Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Fine. So here you can write program. It will be more interactive. It will help you in the writing the code. Writing the code will become easier because a lot of help file come here. It will show you intelligence. It have the intelligence. When you type few things, it is going to show you something. Fine. So here you can write. Okay. Here you can write. So where you can write how to execute here, we can create a new file. So this is a new file. So here I am going to write. Here I am going to write one new program. Okay. So new program in HTML. So how to write guy? How HTML program start with HTML. HTML program start with HTML. Correct? So we can save this program. So where we should save this program guy? We should create one folder. See, when you started class today, see, you everyone make a habit. Okay. and create one folder, create in the desktop or wherever you can remember, you can create a folder. Internship 2023 or whatever name. Here you start creating one folder day by day, day by day. Okay. So here you write day one. Today program may be not there, but tomorrow onwards, every day some program will be executed and some program will be sent. You will modify those program or you will write new program. You will save in the day one. I will be sending. So day one, also day one, you can make it more informative. Day one.
So
Introduction.
screen will not sharing, sir.
Pardon? A screen will
Screen
not.
screen will be not sharing, sir. Not
Okay.
visible.
Okay. Let me see. Yeah, I had a stop. So fine.
Yes, sir.
I hope Notepad plus plus you seen. When I had opened the Notepad plus, no? Share the
No,
screen.
sir, not visible, sir.
Or now it will be visible. Now it's visible, correct?
It
Ah,
is
yes, sir.
visible, sir.
I was talking about the editor, what editor we are going to use during the development. So here multiple editor are there. So I either use Notepad plus. Sometime opening the Notepad plus plus is very light and simple. So here we can write the program. Okay. Here we can write the program. So HTML program is made of tags. So we start writing tags HTML. So here you see we have to close the HTML. Fine. And but the most useful in the latest editor is Visual Code Editor. See here, Visual Studio Code. So you will get, some students ask me questions, sir, where I will get this? Yes, it's easy. You all have to be smart. You can get everything. Okay. Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. So here you can just download and install there. Installation is easy, guy. You will get one exe, and that exe, if you double click, it is going to be installed. Fine. So next I was talking that you should create one folder. So see here, I created one folder here. So in this folder you can keep day by day whatever we discuss, and here you can keep the program what I send to you. You can keep a program what you execute. You can keep the PPT what I send to you. So it will be informative. So day one also you can write day one HTML, day two CSS, like that. Fine. So now I was about to write one program. So we left there and I was about to save this file. New text file. Okay. So new text file is already there. So I'm going to do save as. So I created one folder. On the desktop. Let's find that folder, guys. So this is the folder here. So here hello.html. So each program, this should be HTML. Fine. So now we save this here. So guys, here I'm going to write one program. First program in HTML. Fine. So HTML, I start with HTML tag. See here how the intelligence work. When they know that when HTML is opened, HTML required to be closed. So what is the difference between these two tag, guys? I hope everyone know. One is the opening tag and second is the closing tag. Okay. So next it will have head. It will have head. So now header tag will be there. In between we can have title. So Here we can give hello everyone. Hello everyone. Fine. So we'll see where this title is coming, guy. And I want to create some content. So the main content is going to come in the body section. The main content is going to come in the body section. So let's write the body. Here in the body, whatever we want, we can write. So here I want to display something. Welcome everyone in internship program. Welcome everyone in internship program. Fine. Let's save this. Now question comes, sir, out. This is the output. No, this is not output. This is a program and be required to execute this. So where I can execute this, guy? Here we can run. So start debugging. Use web app. So see. Yes. So we got output, correct? Welcome everyone in internship program. So now I know HTML, correct? Yes, we know, but anyone like this program output? Nobody like, correct? Nobody like this output. So we have to make output very interactive and beautiful, correct? We have to make beautiful. So I want to give some tags. So HTML, guy, now I will not do further. Today this is the last. So HTML is made of tags. More and more tags is there. So I am going to use our 50, 60 tags, maybe 100 tags. And you also have to keep further practicing. So by practice only you will able to learn this. Fine. So tomorrow I will guide you, and further you will start learning yourself. Many multiple sites are there, multiple thousands video are there. So every day if you watch, you have to start remembering few tags. Oh, for this tag is used. Okay, so let's remember, keep in mind. Or when you start designing, many things will also, I want like this, I want like this. So that time you will Google, but finally the output have to come by HTML or CSS. The fine tuning design will come by CSS. So thank you, guys. So this is the detail of the today plan, next plan. Tomorrow onwards at the same time we will join, start every day, and we will go ahead. So if you get time, you can practice something HTML, come with practice. Don't worry. I am also going to start. So I will ensure that each and every student understand. So one job is there, that everyone, if you don't have, don't say, sir, I don't have system. Is any student is there that who don't have the laptop? Anyone? Because if you say this, I don't have answer. I am not going to provide you laptop. I am guiding you to do something on the laptop. Fine. So don't ask also anything on this. You must should have, being a CS computer science. So almost a student are CS, correct? Or information science, or from different branches. What is the situation? So different branches required more stress. CS may have. Have you studied web designing in your syllabus? Is it in your syllabus as of now, or it is further? Okay, fine. So no answer. So this is the start of a HTML program, and tomorrow I am going to complete. Tomorrow I am going to may complete or may not complete, but tomorrow I am going to execute program on HTML. So you can practice, you can keep some tag, but I will go from the scratch, a start. Okay. So thank you, guys. Thanks for time. How was the lecture? You can give the exactly. Tomorrow you will get more interest. Tomorrow you will get more interest. If you have any question as of now, if you have any question as of now, so then you can ask right now. I am here to answer. Fine. Anyone having question, guy? About this program, about this training? Anyone? Please feel free to ask. Okay. So duration of the class will be 1 hour. This is also, I know basic HTML, CSS, that's enough, sir. Fine. No, you require to practice. Okay. If you know HTML, CSS, so today only Anish G. Okay. So Anish Ji write that I know basic HTML, CSS. Anish, you can send one profile of yours using HTML. We'll see how good you are in HTML. Fine. So someone know basic. Yeah, I know when you have a study not 18 syllabus, sir. Okay, fine. Good, thank you. So thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll meet you at the same time. Keep in mind for next 15 days, don't keep any routine, any schedule to going anywhere, missing the class. Be attentive. Our session will be fully practical. So if you join, you are going to learn without giving any stress in learning the web designing. So thank you, guys. Thanks for time. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. Any question, guy? Anyone having question here? No. Fine.